What are your insights or thoughts on the current mindset of the youth today?
My insights and thoughts on the current mindset of the youth today is that the youth today has very, very little tolerance for pain. And that's not because there's something bad with your mindset. It is simply because you are now surrounded. Business experts call this the tyranny of options and choices. Nung panahon namin, wala kami masyadong options kaya pagtsatsagaan namin yung trabaho yan. Ito yung kondisyon, pagtsatsagaan namin yan. Ngayon, ang motto ng mga kabataan, if at first you don't succeed, try something else. That's not necessarily a bad thing, but it is a bad thing. Not a bad thing if you can try different opportunities but you stick to the same basic principles. What is that? Tsaka, learn, hard work, learn. And then you move on to something else. Yun ang aking iniisip. Secondly, guys, listen to me now. This is very important. Ang problema ko sa current mindset ng mga kabataan ngayon is that as long as I have the money to buy the toys I want in life, I can compromise on my values and morals. This is why the fastest selling item in convenience stores located near call centers is not coffee, not cigarette, not liquor, it's condoms. And that's why nasisira buhay nila ngayon. They go into this